Hi, Anthony Topping from Frame It All. I'm going to show you today our new snap lock bracket. And so there's no drilling involved. You just take the bracket, slides right over, and just line up the bracket with the holes in the timber. And then we have these little plugs that you just push right in, like so. And it locks that bracket onto the timber. Makes a really strong connection. So when your timbers are all bracketed, you're going to use the stake as your center point, and this bracket angles like so, and then when you want to go higher with your garden, you just slide another stake in and you can go any height with your garden. The timbers have a concave convex design. So they just nest into each other. So this will prevent any bowing out and will give you a nice clean finish to your garden. So I'm going to build a 4x8 step garden for you now. If you want to build this garden on a hard surface, just cut this part of the stake off to produce this stake. I'm going to use this cutoff stake for our example. And when I go up higher with my bed, I'm going to just slide that stake into the bottom stake and just keep on going higher. So let's get going and build this garden. And you can see how that concave convex timber just nests nicely together, so you have no gaps. Now I'm going to finish it off by just putting some caps on. And that's it. That's all it takes. No tools required. Maybe a hammer to hammer the stake in if you're hammering to the ground. And that's it, folks. It's that easy.